Good day, dear friends. Today is the day for a beloved breakfast, Syrniki, but not the usual kind. These have a cherry filling inside, tender, fluffy, with a slight tartness. Syrniki that turn out perfectly on the first try. This recipe is for 1 kilogram of cottage cheese, which makes 18 Syrniki. All measurements are listed below the video. Let's start with the cherries. I'm using frozen ones. They need to be thawed and drained. We won't need the excess liquid. Add sugar and cornstarch. Mix well. Put it on the heat and cook until thickened, stirring constantly. Transfer to another dish and let it cool. It's best to use full-fat, dry cottage cheese. Mash it well and blend until smooth. Add sugar, salt, vanilla sugar, and flour. Mix everything thoroughly. Take 2 eggs. Separate the yolks from the whites. We only need the yolks since the whites will make the mixture too runny. Add the yolks. Add cornstarch. Mix everything and the dough is ready. Let's shape the Syrniki. Wet your spoon and hands with water for convenience. Gently place the cherry filling in the center, about 4 pieces, and seal the edges. It's easier with wet hands. Dust a board with flour and place the Syrnik on it. Coat it with flour on all sides. You can also use a large glass with straight edges to shape it by pressing it down onto the board. Do the same with all the Syrniki. Before frying, it's best to put the Syrniki in the freezer for 30 minutes. Pour a small amount of vegetable oil into a heated pan. Place the Syrniki in the pan. Fry on low heat on both sides until done. At the end, fry for a few minutes under a lid. Place the cooked Syrniki on a paper towel to soak up the excess oil. Serve with sour cream. Optionally, sprinkle with powdered sugar. This recipe makes 18 delicious Syrniki. They're tender, delicious, and melt in your mouth. You can freeze them for the longer storage. Good luck in the kitchen!